Okay, as you see, I put on this cylindrical piece. I wonder what this really was, what it's really called. And I'm turning it by hand. Let's see, is it on all the way? Yep. Let's zoom in. Yeah, it's definitely in all the way. So I put the glue in. That glue should dry shortly. Then if there's any residue, we'll put light oil on the parts. That should be fine. And then she should be good to go. And since she's on, I'll put her back in her normal position on the track. And I'll have to, check all the other side rod connections. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.